Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. I've got for you a Honda VFR800 Vtec. It's the latest model with the full LED headlight. Really nice additions to these. So you get ABS, you now get traction control, and the funky LED light, as you can see there. Super bright. Really nice update is that. Fully adjustable suspension. You've got ABS. This one's done 11,582 miles, and it's a 2016 on a 16 plate. And it's got a top box on there. It is removable if it's not your thing, but they are a very practical touring bike, so they are popular. Single-sided swing arm, really good looking bike. We'll give it a start for you, that V4 engine. These are mega bikes of these. They'll do a bit of scratching, they'll do a bit of touring, and they're uber bulletproof. So come on down to Jordanbikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.